YouTube, this is All Things Quick. So today we're getting back at this 330i. I have an air intake boot that I have to do on this thing because it's ripped and it has a vacuum leak, so it's throwing a misfire code again, and that's what one of the problem was before when I fixed this engine, but now it's in a different place. It's just old rubber, so just a test of time basically is what these things are. You know, at some point it will probably go in another spot, but that's just how it is, right? Anyways, I'm getting that done, and then I have that oil level sensor I got to do in here that I haven't done yet, and also I'm doing the tail light today and replacing that. I got another one from the parts car and I kind of cleaned it up a little last night. With that being said, once all three of those things are done, then this car is 100% finished. I just, like, as far as mechanical repairs, I have to drop it off for a good detailing inside and outside, and then I have to get it certified, and then it's ready for sale. Getting it detailed and getting it certified is something that I won't be recording, but at the same time, when it gets back from being detailed, I'm definitely going to show you how the guy did on detailing this car. We're just going to jump straight into this video, and I'm going to get those things changed out. It's going to be a short video today, just keeping this as an update for this repair video. These are just the most perfect things. Something just so special about brand new parts, especially when they're, I mean, brand new parts are good, but brand new parts on an old car, that's real good. I'm gonna get this going. This is the easiest thing so far, and then we'll stick the battery in that car and pull it out into here and get going on that tail light and the oil level sensor, and then this car is done. I did a boost leak test on this car, a vacuum test. I put a glove on here with some compressed air. I blew into here. It basically just shot straight through, wasn't even building pressure or anything, so I knew it had to be close, and I started looking around. Right here, massive vacuum leak. I knew that that was the problem. Got this new boot, and I'm just gonna swap that out real quick. So as you can see here, this is a massive hole in there. Even if that one wasn't gone, it would have went at some point. If anybody watched the video of when I first got this car, that was one of the problems anyways, but it was in the bottom boot down there, so I swapped that one out, and then I ended up putting this one back on, thinking that it's probably gonna go at some point, but anyways, it did. So we got a new one. Gonna take this mass airflow sensor off, the new one on, and get that on there. All right, so now that that is on, mass airflow is connected, fuel pressure regulator's on, we'll no longer have vacuum leaks right there, so it will start perfectly fine. It should anyways. Might have to erase the code before I start it, but either way, that's done. Now I'm gonna put the battery in this thing, pull it over into the lot over there, and then get going on these other two things. All right, so I got the battery hooked up in this thing, so it should start up right away, and it should not have any vacuum leaks, so let's go. Hey, would you look at that? Gotta check that RPM to make sure there's no vacuum leaks. Doesn't look like there's any leaks, but right here you'll see that little light in there. That means that the oil level sensor is bad, so that's why we're gonna change that. The one I swapped out before was good, or I thought it was good anyways, and I guess it's not, so I got a new part. And it's intermittent too, so it goes on and off, but I don't want that to ever come on. So this light is literally brand new looking. I almost feel bad putting the other one in, but it is what it is. Like, this one is white. I might, actually, you know what, I might take this one and just match them up together, because this one here needs to come out. This one's no good. Shoot. See, I feel terrible putting these ones in because the other ones look so nice, but this one is aftermarket. That one was not an OEM thing. The OEM ones have the orange on there, so I'm gonna take that one out just so that they match, because if they don't match, it's gonna look stupid. Yeah, then I'll punk that one for myself, I guess. All right, so I just got these two taillights done. They're actually not that bad. They match the ones that are already there, so that looks good. And also got my brother here, and we got some drone footage going, so that will be a nice addition to the channel. Check out that little guy. Sheesh. Look at this thing. Just crazy. So I just drained the oil. This is the new oil level sensor, brand new. I know for sure this works, obviously, because it's brand new. I'm gonna put this in here, but I need to take out the old one anyways. It's right underneath there, so I'm gonna take that out, pop it out of the connector, and then put this one in. All right, so I got that pan back on, the skid plate underneath, and everything's bolted back together. I'm just gonna drop this down, and then all this oil that was in here, or is in here, I'm gonna put that back in, but I'm gonna filter it through some pantyhose here, because there are some, you can see there's a little bit of dirt chips and stuff in there, so I'm gonna filter it, toss it back in, and call that a day. I got that oil back in there, everything's good with that. It was super clean after I put it through that filter. With that being said, this is the end of the video. If you like that video, definitely leave a like down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this, or if this helped you out in any kind of way. I don't know if it did, but definitely hit that subscribe button, because there's way more stuff coming with this other car and turbocharging it and stuff. This one's pretty well ready to be sold. I just have to get it detailed and then certified, and then that's it. Then it's out the door. And it's almost a shame to see this thing go, because it's super clean, super nice. I wish that I could have worked with this to build it, but yeah, so that's all there is right now. So if you like that video, definitely hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to join our Discord. Link is in the description. We'll see you in the next one. See you later.